Dazzlers. In today's video, I share with you simple but elegant home decor spring DIYs using inexpensive items like these metal headbands that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, just keep watching. For idea number 1, I'm using a silicone mold and resin, all from Dollar Tree. The first thing I did was remove the metal butterflies from my headband. Next, I mix part A and part B of my resin for a full 2 minutes. I then placed my metal butterflies inside of the mold before covering them completely with the resin. These small bottles of resin are a rare find, so instead of visiting multiple Dollar Tree locations, I would definitely recommend that you just buy inexpensive resin from your local craft store. I didn't have a torch, so I used my heat gun to remove as many bubbles as possible. I then allowed my resin to dry for a full 24 hours. The following day, I removed the molds, and outside of a few air bubbles that I couldn't get rid of with my heat gun, I think that these butterfly coasters turned out beautiful. For idea number 2, I'm repurposing this water mister that I picked up in the garden section of Dollar Tree. These misters are pretty as is, but I'm adding a couple of butterflies just to make it even prettier. I made sure to position the butterflies so that I could still hold the mister correctly. I then allowed the glue to dry overnight. The following day, instead of water, I added liquid air freshener that I also purchased from Dollar Tree. Now, instead of hiding my blue plastic air freshener bottle, I can display this really pretty butterfly air freshener anywhere. For idea number 3, I'm using 10 Dollar Tree octagon mirrors. As you can see, I used a strong adhesive, hot glue, and craft sticks to make 3 sets of 2. And to 2 of those pieces, I added a third mirror right on top. Next, I glued all 4 pieces together. If you haven't noticed, I'm gluing all 4 pieces together upside down. This is so I can place the bottom piece on top. Two hours later, I'm able to carefully flip my design over and add more glue. Next, I added Dollar Tree LED lights. Here, I'm using hot glue to attach the wires to the inside. To the inside, I'm adding floral foam, floral moss, and lamb's ear that I picked up from Dollar Tree last season. Now, I haven't seen lamb's ear in stores this season, but if you come across it, pick it up. It's beautiful. To hide the white foam, I ended up adding a bit of the moss to the sides as well. To complete the project, I removed the excess glue, cleaned my mirrors, and here's how I did number 3 turned out. For I did number 4, I'm using this mirrored box also from Dollar Tree. Now, I don't usually purchase anything from the Dollar Tree Plus section, but these boxes were displayed in the front and I thought they were beautiful. Of course, you can decorate and use these boxes in a number of different ways. For this box, I'm simply adding the remainder of my metal butterflies. I absolutely love how all 4 butterfly projects turned out. I purchased several of these boxes and I'm thinking about putting a few together to make a beautiful glass wall unit. If I do, I'll be sure to share that DIY with you in an upcoming video. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.